Well, listen, Scott, why don't you tell us about the Ace?
Well, what we have here, Jules, is a 30-foot Ace. First of all, the nice part is it's only 30 foot. Easy to get in and around parks and places that you like to go.
Right.
The nice other part is you've got an outdoor kitchen here, and you've got hot and cold running water. If you have a girlfriend like mine and you like to catch fish, there is no bringing them inside to clean them.
No,
or
they
cook
don't
them.
come inside at all.
That all happens outside. You also have a TV outside for an entertainment area. So if you just want to relax and watch some TV while you're cooking, you can. You've got side view cameras, and you've also got a backup camera monitor.
Okay.
And as you come inside, you'll see here you've got two captain's chairs up front that swivel around and allow you to have either a cocktail table or an end table, like
Coffee
you say.
table.
Coffee table,
morning
like
or
you
night,
said.
depending.
That's right.
Coffee or wine.
That's right. Because RVing is a lot of fun either way. And then as you come into the room, you'll notice we have an east and west seating.
Okay, hold on. What does that mean, east and west?
Basically, you could have 6 to 7 people all sitting in this room right here, and everybody can have a conversation, have fun.
Okay, so as opposed to having the couch here and a
North-south.
dinette next to it.
Right.
Okay, so I like that because it really brings the
Gives
group
you a
in
nice
more.
big living room.
Oh yeah, I'm really liking that.
This is good.
Awesome.
And then if you'll notice all of the space in here, and that's due to a full wall slide.
Oh, from
You've
front
got
to
a
back.
full wall slide from the front to the back.
Okay, I'm really
That's
liking
right.
that, Scott.
Right.
Nice.
As you go down the couch area, you'll see that it goes into a nice big kitchen area where you've got actually quite a bit of counter space. You can put a coffee pot on there. You've got a big farm
Oh,
sink.
because it's kind of angled.
Angled.
I
and
like
then
that.
all the beautiful storage up here as well.
Well, I love all the storage and also the storage above the dining area too. Now, for me, Scott, when I go RVing, I want to basically bring all the comforts of home, including healthy eating and healthy food.
That's right.
Because for me, RVing is also about, healthy mind, body, spirit, and that starts with what you put inside.
That's right.
So as long as I can bring all my healthy food with a lot of room for the storage, I'm good to go.
Yeah, food is a very important thing to bring when you're vacationing.
Exactly. Can't
So
be
as
just
we
what
go
you're
around to
drinking.
the back, you'll see you have a full walk-around queen bed. Very nice. And then as you come into the bathroom, lots of storage in your bathroom, and a really neat thing is it's got a little kibble drawer.
Oh, that is
You
so
put your
cute.
food and water in there for the dogs,
Right.
and that way the kids don't kick it when they're running around inside.
Well, guys, let's face it. When we go RV, we want to come here, little Billy.
There
You are
you
the
go.
best guy ever. I mean, we want to bring our animals with us, and the thing I love about RVing is, it's the comforts of home for us.
That's right.
But it's the comforts of home for them too, and they get to come in. I also think animals feel comfortable when they're in an environment that they know.
People love to bring their
Yeah,
animals
so if you
RVing.
have your own RV, they feel comfortable and they're at home
That's
too,
right.
and they like to enjoy the road when you're going down
That's
the
right.
road.
That's
Well,
right.
listen, I think Bentley needs to get some water, so we're going to take a little break. But head on down to See Grins, where there really is an RV show going on every day, with over 500 RVs, new, used, and RVs for sale by owners at See Grins. You'll find an RV for every lifestyle and every budget. See Grins RV is just 25 minutes south of San Jose, right at the 101 freeway at the Gilroy outlets. Now, the star here needs to take a little break.
Yeah, he's good to go.
We'll be right back.